Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. We got paid $2,078. A lot of it already went towards bills. So this video is strictly for the cash envelopes and also my sinking funds. It's going to be a little bit smaller money, even though it is $911 that we are going to be stuffing. However, we're not stuffing a lot of envelopes today because we are trying to just mainly focus on some of the priority envelopes that I really want to focus on and help us, build a better savings, like for instance, medical. And also we are going to Disney in a couple of months, like literally 84 days. I looked at the countdown and we need to hurry up and pay for our lodging fee. So we are going to be focusing on those two things as well. So if you're new to my channel, I will absolutely love for you guys to hit that subscribe button, become part of the family. I do these videos every 2 weeks when I get paid. I do a money challenge every single Tuesday, and I also do a giveaway on that video every week if you comment a number. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and then every other Saturday that we are not stuffing, I usually try to plan another video, as in like next Saturday, we are going to be going over my side hustle, my eBay, Macari, and I have an income that I will be doing that as well and stuffing some more videos. So as of right now, we are going to be stuffing $911 into our envelope. So this is all the cash. I always go to the bank after work and get it whenever we get paid. So let's go ahead and count that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 900, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So $911. I'm going to try to do this video as fast as possible because I just put some food out for my dogs, and hopefully they will be quiet and not bark, but I cannot guarantee that. So I'm trying to film and hopefully they will not go crazy in like 30 minutes. All right, so that cash is all settled for us, and we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and do our cash envelopes, which our cash envelopes doesn't really change. It might change soon because gas is going up and higher and higher. A little freaking out about that. I do drive a 4Runner. They are gas guzzlers, and I have a couple of trips I'm planning on going on. So it's going to be a little struggle. All right, so first off, we are going to do the groceries, and groceries is going to be getting $100. Next up is going to be gas. And also, I wanted to say this only because if somebody's new, grocery, this is for 2 weeks, and then whenever we get paid again, we'll do another 2 weeks. So $200 in groceries is how much we usually spend a month. Gas is going to be getting $140. And usually what I do with this gas money, I usually don't pay in cash. I use my debit card, and then whatever amount that I use my debit card on, I will take it out, and then I will use that money to go towards the money challenges on Tuesdays, just so I don't have to go to a bank again and get money out for the money challenges. So that is just how I do it. Fun money, we do have some money left over from last 2 weeks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have $6. I was about to say $600. I wish. But we have $6 left over, and this is actually going to go towards our money challenge as well. And fun money is going to be getting $100. Now, usually with my $100, I go to yard sales. I buy coffee and everything. I'm not doing yard sales. Not this week, but maybe next week. I'm not sure. And the yard sales is strictly for eBay business, Macari business, stuff like that. And that is it for our cash envelopes. So moving on to our sinking funds. Now, our sinking funds is going to start with medical, and medical is going to be getting $100. We just used most of it, pretty much all of it, to pay for a $300 copay for whenever I had like a small little procedure on our, fertility journey. And I have not updated you guys on that, which I will update you guys probably next week, because that is my follow-up appointment. A lot of people on here, whenever I said that that we're going through fertility treatment because of PCOS, a lot of people were very engaged. They commented saying they wanted updates, because a lot of the people that watch my channel also struggle with PCOS. So I would love to do a separate video explaining my journey so far. So that is in the works, maybe in the next couple of weeks. But anyway, so medical is going to get $100. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and 600. Hopefully my copay is only $30 this coming up week, and if it is, that means that it is going to be completely covered, because I actually have like $45 left over from whenever I just put to pay the $300, not $300, there was another copay I had to pay, and I put $200, and I just said put the rest in the leftovers. Anyways, moving on, we have car, and car is actually going to be getting $63. So 50, 60, 61, 62, and 63. And this is actually for, I still have warranty. So the warranty is going to go out next year. So I'm trying to build this up, and then some of the stuff doesn't cover warranty, like tires. I do need to save up for tires for that. So $63 is going to go towards car maintenance. So right now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. So we have $300 right now for car maintenance, which is really good. Once 500, we're going to put it towards probably my high yield savings account is what we are going to do. Next is going to be vacation, and we are going to be putting $200. Now this vacation is going strictly towards Disney. We have to pay so it's 84 days, roughly 84 days until we go. So 60 days, I think it's 30 days before we go, we have to pay and pay the full amount. So I am busting my butt to put as much money as possible towards that, so I won't be stressing. $20 towards Dobby and Oliver. So we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, and 48. So 48 towards them. Christmas is going to be getting $20. So we have 20 and 21. Now, whenever I do my money challenges, if you're new, every Tuesday I will empty Christmas, and I also will empty vacation, just to let y'all know. And I have a cute little money challenge games that I'm doing, scratch offs. So that's what we are going to be doing. So home is not getting anything, and that is $1 still. Special occasion, I already wiped that out a couple of weeks ago. Beauty has $10. And then renewals has $1. So that is it for our cash envelopes, or our sinking funds that we're going to do. Now, the rest of the money is actually going to be going towards our side hustle. So this is from 2 weeks from Mercari and from eBay. So we have 50, 150, 60, 65, 66, 67, and 68. So we have $168. And this is from pretty much a month from Mercari and 2 weeks from eBay. Now, Mercari was really good to me this month, which I was super excited about that. Let's see. So in total for the month of August, I have made a total from side hustle, strictly side hustle. I made 150, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. So we have $199 that we can play with. Now, this video is not going to be up until next week. I have to figure out what I want to do with $199. 20% of it is going towards taxes, of course, as always, when I get paid from side hustles. But we shall see. Anyways, so that is it, you guys. It's short, sweet. It's pretty much right at 10 minutes, which is really good. A lot of people don't like long videos. Some people do love long videos. I'm an in-between. It just depends. But anyways, so we have stuffed $911 into our cash envelopes, our sinking funds, and also our side hustle. If you have any questions about budgeting, I'm not a financial guru. I'm not an advisor, but I simply love to give advice. You can take it if you want to. If not, it's okay. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. Hit that subscribe button if you are leaning on the fence of subscribing to my channel or not. I would be truly grateful. Just come and hang out with the family and friends. Anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys so much again. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Bye, guys.